The class platform, we break each thing down into a separate module, which is paradoxical because it is all one thing. So when we practice, we're integrating all of it. It's one thing. It's called breathing, full body breathing, integration of the subtle and physical bodies in a way that trains us to live there and be able to receive from and then give out all the time. This entire way of being is a radical act of activism in the world. It also connects us with our intuition, our knowing. We know how to have conversations with people that might be difficult, or we know how to make choices that are actually in the highest good versus what our mind might say. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.